Santa, tell me if he really cares. If he won't be here next year.
Hello everybody, it's me and Luna. Say hello, Luna. She's like, no mom, you guys haven't seen her in a while. Hello. Right, Luna? Gave her a bit of a botched haircut. So as you can see, today we're going to be we're going to be doing holiday makeup. I've got my little reindeer ears on. Well, yeah, ears and antlers on. I've got my red hair back. I've got the red lip. We got the red eyeshadow. Here is the look that we're going to be doing today. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Nice palette along with some Nabla glitters. We got the red lip going on like I said, and I had just fun playing around with makeup and testing this out. So if you want to see how to get this eyeshadow look, just keep on watching. I will not include the foundation. That'll be in a separate video where I'll be testing out the SheGlam foundation. So if you want to see that, check that out separately from this. But if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. All right, let's get this look started. Today, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Nice palette. It's a 16 color eyeshadow palette, and it actually is pretty good for the price. I mean, these are super tiny pans. They're like maybe the size of a penny. They're super small, but I definitely think there's a nice variety of colors in here. There's a larger holiday palette that came out as well, which I've heard really good things about. But I think this is a nice little palette to have. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'll be using my Nabla glitters, this red right here, which is super pretty. I've been dying to use that, so I'm excited I got to use that on my eyelid. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to be going in with the shade Cookie on a large blending brush. This is the Pract large blend brush, and this is going to go on my crease. I have eyeshadow primer on and concealer on already. This is just going right here as a transition shade. I haven't been setting my concealer because I noticed that it holds the eyeshadow a lot better. Like the eyeshadow like sticks to it a lot better. So I haven't been setting my concealer when I put it on my eyelids, and I've noticed just more pigment payoff. So if you're not getting enough pigmentation from your eyeshadows, try that and see if that works. Next, I'm taking a Sigma E39 with the color Ginger Snap, which is a darker brown. It wasn't quite as dark as I expected it to be. Like you can see here, I wish it was a little bit darker, because when I blend it out with Cookie, they kind of just blend into each other, and I'm kind of bringing that out pretty far, and then I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and just kind of blend that out. And then I'll be taking a angled brush. This is the Pract liner brush, and these are made by Sigma. They're like a cheaper alternative to the regular Sigma brushes. And I'm taking the color Brandy and Winter and mixing those together, and I'm going to be creating a wing. Going back in with the Buff and Blend brush in the Ginger Snap color. Did I say gingerbread? I meant Ginger Snap. I kind of blend that out roughly. Now I'm taking a pointy Q-tip. You can take anything you want to. You can take a regular Q-tip, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to be cleaning up this edge like I said. So we're just trying to make a nice sharp edge, and then I'm wiping that away. And I'm just gonna lightly clean up the lid area. Then going in with a concealer brush or anything that you want to use to cut the crease, I'm taking the P. Louise base here, or you can use concealer, it doesn't matter, and I'm just going to be laying this down as a base for the red shade that we're going to put on top of it. Now I'm going with the color Jolly from the palette, which is that beautiful sparkly red, and I'll be using an eyeshadow brush. This is the Medium Sweeper E54 from Sigma, and that's going to be going on top of the P. Louise base. And I'll be using the Milani liquid liner in black, and this is a matte black liner, and go in with the Nabla glitter. This is in the color Ruby. I mean, look at that shade. This one here, it is stunning. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Eye Defender blender is what it's called. So it's basically a sponge tip applicator on one side and then like a rubber applicator on the other side. So I don't know if sponge tip applicators come in eyeshadow palettes anymore like they used to. They might. I'm just placing that on top of the red. But the sponge tip applicator just picks up this glitter so much better. That just adds so much flair. And I'm using the color Snowball as my highlight. Ooh, it's a little chalky. Got way on that side. And then I'll go back in with my brush. And then again, this part is optional, but I went in with the Stila liquid glitters, and I'm going to be taking the color, this is a Diamond Dust, and another small brush. I'm using the Sigma water liner brush, and then I'm just dipping that on like this, and I'm putting that like in my crease. You can see. I am just so obsessed with the glitter. I think it just looks so fun and festive. And I'll be using a pair of Amazon lashes. These were in my all full face of Amazon products. These are the Faux Mink Bephalin, that's how you say the name, lashes. And I love these. I just feel like they look so great. And you get 4 pairs for a really good price. I'm gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on, and I'll be right back. Oh, she is bright red. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna pop a little bit of green under my eye. Use the color Holly from the palette. Put a little bit of Snowball in the inner corner. So here's the finished eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? And if you want to see how I did my foundation, my lips, and everything like that, that will be in a separate video where I'm going to be testing out the She Glam foundation from Shein. So definitely check that video out. I went crazy on the highlight. It's the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this festive look. Let me know if you want me to do a New Year's look as well. Also, the day after Christmas is my birthday. I'll be turning 29, so I'm super excited. I don't know what day I'm going to be uploading this either. It's December 23rd right now, so who knows if this is going to go up on my birthday or not. But yeah, there's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had a happy holiday, or if you don't celebrate, I hope you had an amazing day regardless. Yeah, don't forget to check out my Instagram at Shweihninzy, and thank you all so much.